I think it's been pretty enjoyable so far. A lot of great ideas have been flowing around. The innovation has been off the charts. This game really helps too because there's so much going on that we want to achieve, you know?
It's been really fun, you know, just making prototypes, just seeing what works, what doesn't, seeing like what we could do with this game, how to make it work, stuff like that.
In all, my 2024 build season experience has been pretty good. While leading my prototyping group, I've been able to grow my experience in CAD, fabrication, and even like programming and electrical. Now, on the more like fun side of things, I've gotten to grow much closer to a bunch of my peers, whether it be with like eating dinner together to just hanging out in general. I mean, you really grow connections when you're with them for like, I don't know, 5 hours a day.
So for me, I think what I've enjoyed the most is getting to work alongside my peers and getting to know my peers as well. Getting to bond with both rookie and veteran members, I think, has been a big thing for me, and just getting to have the opportunity to work with them is what I'd say I enjoy the most.
A big challenge for me has definitely been keeping track of all my responsibilities alongside build season, because being on build team means you get a lot less time to do stuff like your homework. So it's been really hard to try and do all my homework and manage my time wisely so that I can get it all done and I can work on build team.
Well, there were times when I had trouble getting involved with certain things, but that usually was fixed by just me going to the workshop and trying to help however I could. There was also certain problems where I would forget certain things with tools, but it was always good to remind myself about how the tools work and getting a better feeling of how to use them.